So I wanted to do another video. I decided that I saw a bunch of the Etsy shops doing it, but I wanted to do kind of a shop spotlight, give you guys feedback on some of the shops that I used, just so you can have an idea if you decide to purchase from them also, what you might like, what you might not like about it, all the details, that jazz. So I decided to start with Scribble Prints Co. because she is my absolute favorite right now. Andrea is so super nice. She's so easy to work with. She's just great. Her shop is on a vacation right now, but is planned to come back this Friday. So just as a heads up, if you go to look for her, I will link her shop down below. She is actually one of the shops that does this planner sticker spotlight type thing, and kind of where I got the idea. Her, the Alex Studio, and I think there's a couple others, but those are the two that I follow that I saw doing it. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys. So first off, these little stickers here come with every order. I think, yeah, there's the one that's packaged still. So this is kind of what it looks like. She just recently started sending the new washi stickers because they're new for her shop, and then it also has the little labor stickers on the back and then the ticket for future purchases. These were the hearts that were coming in them before. They had, some of them had little cameras, which were great because you could use them, and then the little SP stickers. So you get those with every order, along with a thing of 2 of these little gold hearts, which I think are super cute. So then this is just kind of the collection of stickers that I have from her. I'll just do a quick run through of kind of all of them so that you can see them. I really like the quality on hers. I really like that they're glossy. I think they just look really good. I like that she has a bunch of different options. I don't know, like at first I really didn't like her stickers. I'm going to be completely honest. I saw somebody using them and I was like, they're kind of boring. But then I started purchasing them because I wanted to try them out to see for myself. And compared to the other stickers that I was buying, these were just off the charts. So these cute little laundry baskets, these cute little shipping boxes, I was using these for when I got shipments to film videos. These cute little, oh, I have another laundry basket, look at that. See, I have so many I don't even remember what I have in here. And I'm not even going to lie, I have 2. I was going to wait to do this video because I still have 2 orders coming in, but I decided I was just going to do it now because a lot of them are repeats of what I already have. So this little, I got this to show Lush Baths, to schedule Lush Baths for myself. I'm not crazy about this one, but it works. And I haven't, you can see that I haven't even used it yet. So these little envelopes to show mailing stuff, obviously. These cute little doily ones, which I thought were awesome. I was really just trying to get enough to get, she had a coupon code out, and I didn't have these yet, so I figured why not. Cute little cell phones. And then this is, she also does monthly planner kits that are color coordinated to the Erin Condren. So this is May's. So this is the charity sampler, which she does every month, and 100% of, you can't read it because my camera doesn't autofocus, 100% of the revenue from this product gets donated to monthly charity. She picks a charity each month, she asks for input, which I think is really awesome, and then donates all the revenue from these packs. You can see that I've used quite a bit of these because I was following It's May, obviously. So these came in the May monthly planner kit, that one and this one. So you can see this one, I think this one came in there, but I could be wrong. This is like her washi stickers, but I could be wrong on that one. This one I know definitely did, and then the last one didn't, but it's a like a mini May sampler that she does that just has a small selection of the May colors for you to try. So those are all the May colored ones. With the exception, I think, of this one, the charity one, and these washi ones I'm not sure about. The other 4 pages that you get are $20. So you figure if the sticker sheets are $5 or $6 each, you're actually saving a little bit. So there is, yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets there. And I think this washi pack did come with it, but I could be wrong. So I think you get 5, sounds right. So I think you get 5 for $20. I could be wrong though. I'll also link that down below with her shop, so that you can go check it out yourself. So I really like the May packs that they're color coordinated, because even if you're not using an Erin Condren, which you'll see in a second, I'm going to show you my plum paper planner with the stickers in it. So even if you're not using the Erin Condren, it's really cute that they have the monthly colors coordinated in sticker choices for you. And then I don't know that she's going to be doing these anymore. She did mention something in her Facebook group about possibly not doing them in the future because they're very time intensive. But these are customized headers that you can get. She can cut them for the Plum Paper Planner or the Erin Condren, which, I mean, I think in reality they kind of fit both, but I got these. That's the next order that's coming because I had saw her mention that she wasn't sure if she was going to keep them around. I went ahead and ordered, I think, like 3 or 4 more sets just so that I have them. So I really like those. And then these glitter page flags I actually saw on Kirsten's channel, which I will link her down below also. She had these in her plum paper planner, and I was like, yes, I need those. This was the spring kit that she recently redid, so this is what it did look like, although you can't really see it because a ton of the stickers are missing. And then this is what she redid it to, which I really like that she gives you such a good variety of stickers on these sheets. And then she also has the coordinating kind of box covers to go with it. So I really like that she gives you a ton of options. These are her plum paper planner color coordinated stickers. So these were for June, and then those were for May. I'm not a huge fan of these. I think that she did a really great job. I think that they're simplified to match the plum paper planner. I'm just not a huge fan of these. I'd rather get the Erin Condren kits and just use them in my plum paper planner because I feel like you get more with those and more variety. So this is a really cute one that I found, but she only had the mini pack, so I have to find washi. Whoops, it was upside down. I have to find washi that kind of color coordinates with that. These mason jars I thought were adorable. I don't have really a functional use for them. I just put them on the bottom of a page to decorate because I just thought they were really cute. And then to-do list, which you can see half of these stickers I haven't even cracked into. Mini to-do list, to cleans, just hearts, and then workout, because I'm supposed to be going to the gym. Runs, and I like that on these bottom sheets too, she gives you other headers. She doesn't just give you empty space. I think that's pretty awesome. The heart checklist, this was the April kit that I got, so there you can see the charity sheet. And then I used up, obviously because April is already passed, I used up a great deal of those. I don't think these were as large as the May sheet. I think it was a smaller set, and then she expanded it, so you got a lot more. And then she does still have the washi packs, which is basically just little strips of paper cut into like washi sizes. This was the Valentine's Day colors that she had, which was really pretty. It was like pink and coral and gray. And then this is called the Rainy Day set, which I haven't used yet, obviously, because I'm waiting for that one. So those are her stickers that I have, and then I'll show you how I actually use them in my planners. So this is the plum paper planner, and you can see here that even though the colors don't really match, I'm still using them. So I'm using the May colors and just kind of keeping an overall theme. Besides the header, it's like just keeping kind of that overall pink and teal theme. Except for the washi down here, I didn't really have a washi to go with it. And then this is what it looked like when I was doing it in my Erin Condren. This is kind of when I first started using her stickers. And you can see it was just a lot of the little ones, and a lot of these were from the set. And then that's where I did the Valentine's Day ones because I had the perfect gray and pink washi to match. And the Alex Studio Hydrate stickers. This is, you can see the mason jar I was just kind of putting down there. And oh look, there I started my cycle. So you can see that I was kind of using those there. And then more April ones. I used a lot more on this page. I was getting more comfortable kind of with putting more stickers in there and realizing that I could still have empty space, but I realized at this point that I had a lot of functional stickers and not just decorative stickers. And I was trying to use them up because I had a huge kind of pile of them. And then this week I really liked because I had this perfect washi to match, but I kind of started to taper off in my Erin Condren. You can see kind of the end of the week is pretty empty because I had my plum paper planner and I just started kind of writing in that a little bit more. So I don't know, like, I just did comparison videos kind of on the plum paper planner and stuff. Looking at it side by side now, I kind of think it looks nicer in this one without the lines, but I definitely like that the lines, I don't write crooked in here, so struggles, y'all, struggles. So yeah, that's kind of what her stickers look like in the planner. So like I said, really sweet girl, really great shop, really good quality. A little on the pricier side for stickers, but not a ton, like maybe $1 or $2 more than what you would see in some of the other shops. But for the quality, I'm cool with it. You're paying for quality, and her quality is just outstanding. So go ahead and give her a shout. I'll link everything down below so you can check her out. And please feel free to leave comments if you have questions, if you use her stickers, what you like, what you don't like, all that jazz. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, if I didn't say that, and I'll see you guys next time.